Hi, this is MJ Nodilo with your Pathlight Insight. And what I'd like to discuss today are the ever-changing landscape of geopolitics, namely what's gone on in Ukraine and the Middle East. Now, we've been fielding a lot of calls about the impact on investments and investment markets with respect to Russia going into Ukraine, and most recently, the ISIS group coming from Syria into northern Iraq and capturing oil refinery banks and the second largest city, Mosul. Now, when you think back over a long period of time, there are always reasons to be concerned and skeptical with respect to investing. But I would say over the last 3 or 4 years, there's been an increasing amount of global, macro, and geopolitical issues. Now, for those that got spooked over an EU breakup, or what's gone on in Greece, or the perpetuity of fighting in the Middle East, and now most recently Russia going into Ukraine, or now ISIS coming in and taking back parts of Iraq that were previously more stable. Those that use those reasons to go to cash or to become spooked have really paid the price. Now, with the exception of recent rise in U.S. oil and gas prices and the positive benefit that's had on stocks, all of those issues I have mentioned have had very little impact on investments. In fact, year to date, the S&P is up over 7%. Bonds have performed well. Inflation's been relatively tame. And for those that sit on the sidelines, it's really been a negative. So while it's easy to get caught up in all of these issues, and it's very interesting to talk about long-term implications to the world at large, what we think is most important is to focus on the underlying investments. In many cases, what is this company doing? What is this stock doing? Or what is this bond doing? And not let the noise and the coverage of these major large issues make changes to your investment landscape and your investment program. Because if history is any guide, investment markets will be resilient and continue to perform over the longer term and ultimately benefit the patient and thoughtful investor. Please give us a call with any questions. Thanks.